Here's an email from Mike. What's the best seal to put around the side entry door? There's about an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch gap. Mike, this is a cinch to fix. Literally, the product is called Cinch. This is a weather stripping kit that you can find at the hardware store or home center. It's an aluminum system with a rubber gasket and a self-sticking tape that you're going to use to apply it to the door jamb. Now you're going to cut it to fit using tin snips. With the door closed and locked, I want you to place the 3 pieces to cover up that gap that you have, push it in place, and it will stay put and eliminate those gaps you have in the doorway.
Hi Lou, my name is Mark. I'm looking into redoing my kitchen and I'm not going to be able to do everything. What would you say will give me the best bang for my buck? Should I focus on the cabinetry, take a look at my countertops, or possibly even appliances?
Well, Mark, when it comes to your kitchen, the sky is the limit, but I'm going to focus on where you said, where do I get the biggest bang for my buck? And that is painting your cabinets. If your cabinets are in decent shape and you just want to change the look, then using something like a cabinet and trim paint or a chalk paint can really change the entire look. And then, if you did something like new countertops and appliances, you'll be surprised at how you can update your kitchen on a budget and have something that when you walk into, you'll say, wow, this looks great.